Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add another manager fingerprint. Right now, this finger is added as the manager fingerprint. So what you're going to do, and I'll explain it before I do it, you'll push the set button again for 1 second, release. The light will be flashing. At that time, whichever finger is the manager finger, you would put that first. It would beep, you'll release it, and then you'll immediately put the new finger that you want to have as a manager finger on it as well. So I'm going to use my thumb as the next one right now, just to show you. My thumb does not work. So first thing you do, push, release. It'll be flashing. Put your manager finger on. Okay, must not have had it on right. Try again. Push and release. It will beep. It's flashing. Now I'm going to put my thumb on there 3 times, just like I did before to add a finger. After the 3rd time, it will stay solid. Now my thumb is also the manager print. You can do this with up to 10 prints. You can have 10 prints as the manager print. And just to show you, this finger is still the print as well. If you want to delete all the manager fingerprints and start all over, push the set button for about 10 seconds. It'll be flashing to delete. Put a finger on, one of the manager fingers. I don't think I did it fast enough. No. Anyway, you would put the manager finger on there, it would accept it, and then delete all of them. I'll try it one more time here. When it beeps like that, now all of the prints are erased. So as soon as you push it, it goes in and out. So now it's at the point where it's ready to be added fingerprints on it again. All right, hope that helps. Thank you.